Hey everyone, I'm Danny at Newman. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Wegovy pen, a medication that helps with weight management. It's important to know how to use it properly, so let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about what Wegovy is. Wegovy is a prescription medication that contains semaglutide, which is used to help adults manage their weight when combined with a reduced calorie diet and increased physical activity. Now, let me show you how to use the pen. The pen will come in a chilled envelope along with some needles. Each pen you receive contains 4 doses, meaning that this will last you for a month. Step 1. Wash your hands and prepare a clean surface for the pen. Check the expiry date. Make sure you also have a new needle and an alcohol wipe handy, and a sharps pin to dispose of the needle afterwards. Step 2. Remove the pen cap. You'll see that the medication is clear and colourless. Next, you'll need to attach a new needle. Remove the seal. Then push the needle onto the pen and twist until it's secure. Step 3. Before you use the pen for the first time, you'll need to prime it. To do this, remove the outer cap, followed by the smaller inner cap. The dose selector is at the other end of the pen. Turn the dose selector until you see 2 dots displayed in the window. With the needle pointing upwards, press the dose button. You should see a drop of liquid at the tip of the needle. If not, repeat the process until you do. Step 4. Now it's time to select your dose. Turn the dose selector to the prescribed amount. Your clinician will start you off with a low dose and gradually increase it over time. Step 5. Choose your injection site. You can inject into the front of your upper thigh, your abdomen, or the upper arm. Clean the chosen area with an alcohol wipe and let it dry. Remember to mix up your injection sites each time to avoid any soreness or bruising. Step 6. Pinch the cleaned area of skin gently and insert the needle at a 90-degree angle. Press and hold down the dose button until you hear a click, and count to 6 slowly to ensure you've administered the full dose. Step 7. Put both caps back on the needle and unscrew it from the pen. Dispose of the needle in the sharps container. It's important that you don't put this in your normal household waste bin. Recap the pen and store it in a dry place away from direct sunlight. Don't worry if you're not able to refrigerate the pen, just make sure that it isn't kept anywhere that exceeds 30 degrees Celsius. And that's it. Remember to always follow your clinician's instructions and never share your pen with anyone else. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to your coach or clinician at Newman. Thanks for watching. See you next time.